Hi everyone. I'm Sarah. If it's your first time skiing in Europe and you want to save money while traveling freely, this beginner-friendly guide is just for you. First stop, Bursa, Turkey. Here you'll find Uludağ Ski Resort, a local favorite and a true paradise for beginners. It's only about a 3-hour ride from Istanbul by cable car or bus. A one-day ski pass costs around €40, and you can even relax in the hot springs afterward, so refreshing. Next up, Jasna in Slovakia. This ski resort lies in the heart of the Demonovska Valley and is famous for its great value and modern facilities. Hostel stays are about €10-15 per night, and renting ski gear for a full day is only around €20, perfect for beginners to practice the basics. If you want the classic European ski experience, try ZLMC in Austria or the Dolomites in northern Italy. The scenery is straight out of a postcard. Even if you don't ski, just sipping mulled wine while watching the snow is totally worth it. Travel tips. Beginners don't need to buy full gear. Just bring warm clothes, snow pants, waterproof gloves, and sunglasses. Rent your ski boots and board on site. It's more affordable. For transportation, trains or Flixbus are safe and budget-friendly options. And remember, your first ski trip isn't about looking cool, it's about staying safe and having fun. It's okay to fall, just laugh, get back up, and you've already won half the battle. Your first European ski adventure starts here, with Sarah's Lazy Girl Guide. If you like this kind of short travel video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Your small support means the world to me. Thank you so much. See you next time.